There's few media persons here who wants me to focus on safety, what we are doing about it. You know safety, how much concern for children and the parents. Media knows better than what I'm saying. So we have specially worked for this buses, this technology called ABS plus EBD. What it says anti-lock braking system to prevent locking of wheels during braking. Generally you find in cars. Also electronic brake distribution to ensure uniform force distribution on all the wheels. What it means to the customer? It means high level of safety during panic braking to avoid toppling. And on loose roads, surface like gravel roads, it gives a non-skidding effect. Most important, again first time in LCV category, is the disc brake on all the four wheels. Generally you have on the rear wheels, all the four wheels it is so that skidding doesn't happen. These are the features which are by the regulations, but the beauty is all these features are built in the factory. Generally people buy the vehicle dealers and they get locally fitted to apply to the RTO rules. We make it in-house and provide to the dealers. That's the difference. And I will pray that all the RTOs in the country have one rule to apply. Each state has different rules for safety. That is one of the biggest hindrance for the school bus growth. Now, the key feature for which I want to communicate is the child bus tracker. What it is? It is a GPRS system attached to the vehicle. You imagine, many of you are married and must be having a kindergarten school child. Imagine what happens in the morning. You have to come to the press, the newspaper, your husband has to go somewhere else or your spouse has to go somewhere else, and he and she fights who will go down and leave the child to the bus. A SMS comes 10 minutes before that, your vehicle has reached Abbott's, reaching in 10 minutes, now you can come down. At least your 20 minutes waiting in the morning is gone off. Lady is smiling. Okay. Then you get a child boarding alert. Either he has boarded a wrong bus, what time, you will get information on your laptop. Isn't it surprising? This technology is available in a very minimal cost to the operator, and the software is attached to the parent as well as the school admin.